Hello everyone, welcome back to another one of my videos. It's been a while since I've uploaded anything. Thanks for sticking around. Right, so basically Cubase Pro 11 has just come out and I've upgraded to it. And I thought I would just make a few videos showcasing some of the new features. So in this video, I'm going to be looking at SuperVision, which is an amazing analysis plugin that comes with Cubase Pro 11. Before I do that though, if you're new here, then click that like button and subscribe. Right, let's get to the video. Okay, so SuperVision is a plugin that you can put on the master output, the stereo out of your channels. So this is SuperVision. And basically this is an analysis plugin. It's got loads of different windows. You can adjust these windows, like you can resize them. You can change them to loads of different things. So, in fact, I'll just press play and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so at the bottom down here, we have a waveform that shows. You can change this to show either mix down, which is what I've got, which mixes in the left and right speakers. The stereo bus, so it shows left and right separately. And then you've got mid-side, or just left channel, just right channel, just mid channel, or side channel. I like to stick with the mix down. On this window here, I have it set up for a mid-side equalizer. You can change any of these by just clicking on them and then clicking on this setting here. You can change it to all sorts of different analysis tools, level meters and things, spectrograms. I'm going to leave this set up to the mid-side stereo equalizer. If you want to add another one of these boxes, you can just click on it, and then if you go to the top right of the thing here, you can split it. So if I want to split it in half so there's a bottom half to this, I can then add another plugin and I can change this to whatever I like as well. So let's go with chromogram. Let's try just the time thing. And then if you want to close it, you can just close the cross there. You can also do one to the side as well. You can mix these around so that you can get it exactly how you want it to look. You can also change the colours of these waves. If you put the SuperVision plugin on a channel, whatever channel colours on that channel, then your waves will also appear that colour as well. Right, so basically I'm just going to show you what I have it set up like. So on the left I've got the mid-side channel equalizer, which shows mids and sides, obviously. I've got the EQ mixed down in the middle, so this is showing left and right speakers together. Over here I have a spectrogram meter, which shows you like any sort of layers and stuff. This is more to do with a new plugin that's in Cubase Pro 11. It's called Spectra Layers and it's really useful. I'm going to do a whole video on that soon, so definitely check that one out. And basically it just shows you any background noises in the song. You can really pick out all of the different sounds that's happening. In the middle down here I've got a phase correlation meter. So this basically tells me the width of the song. If it's -1, then you're getting some sort of phase issues that need sorting out. If it's 0, you've got an extremely wide mix. It could even be too wide. If it's +1, it's pretty much mono, or it pretty much is mono. A good meter for around here is around this area, so try and get your track around this area. Down at the bottom is another width meter. It shows the panning. Then I've got a time meter. This shows the time. On the right side here I've got, this is like the loudness meters, so I've got the true peak, I've got the integrated loudness in LUFS, I've got short-term LUFS and momentary max LUFS. I think Spotify looks for integrated of -14 LUFS, so what you want to do is you want to play your song from the start to the end and then try and get that integrated LUFS to -14. And that'll be perfect loudness for Spotify and all of the streaming websites and stuff. Right, so basically I'm just going to press play and I'm going to show you what these look like. If you right click on these as well, you can pause them. So any of these things you can pause. And then you can have like a really in-depth view of everything that's going on. Some of the settings in this as well, like see how that's got a curve on it down there? If I click on this and then go to that, I can adjust the slope, which is really useful. I like to set mine at about 4.4, and that gives me quite a straight thing. So when I'm mixing, I'll always try and aim to have like a really straight EQ. And it's the same with this one as well. That's my setup basically. You can try and find your own setup. This waveform meter down here, this is really useful when you're mixing because it's real time. So if you say mixing a kick drum and you're adding compression to it and stuff, you can see all of the different peaks and stuff, and you can see how compressed it is. And this is so useful when mastering as well. So that is the new SuperVision plugin in Cubase Pro 11. This plugin comes with Cubase Pro 11 and Cubase Artist 11. It's not available on the Elements version or the LE version. So anyway, if you've liked this video, then click like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or anything, then leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.